Right, so I've got the JBL Clip 5, and let me show you how to pair and connect this to an iPhone. So the first thing you need to do is turn it on, and on the side you can see this button. So if you press that button, the speaker should turn on. You can hear that sound, and also there's going to be a light here, this light right here. Okay, now when it's blinking like that, it means it's in pairing mode. If it's not in pairing mode, just press the Bluetooth button on the side to put it in pairing mode, and then you can go to your iPhone Bluetooth settings. So settings, Bluetooth, and it starts scanning, and you can see JBL Clip 5 detected. Tap on that and it should get connected, and you can see JBL Clip 5 is now connected. So you can play all your audio, your music, your YouTube audio, all from the speaker. So let's try that quickly. There you go. Thanks for watching and good luck.